What the, bro? Hey, what are you guys doing here? Why you guys watching me in the bathroom? That's kind of weird. Well, now that you've caught me here washing my hands, I thought that maybe I could show you how to wash your hands, and then I'll do a little, you know, on the side, how to wash your face, because I think that's important every single day, that you should be washing your face, because you touch it all the time. You sweat sometimes, you get oils and stuff that just need to be cleaned away. You need to make sure that your face is feeling good so that your confidence is feeling great. You know what I'm saying? This is very awkward that you are in my bathroom while I'm not, and we're gonna make this less awkward, right? So let's do that, okay? First, let's turn on the light so we can see, right? Let's get our soap. Turn on the water. Turn the water on. I would say make it as hot as possible. Stop burning yourself. So it's steady warm. You want to wet them first. Just kind of rinse them off, right? Just kind of get the general whatever dirt and stuff off of your hands. Secondly, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that soap. I know this is really big, but I can't find my other one. But use any soap, hand soap, actually. You want to just rub. See the foam, right? Now use your elbow. You don't get soap on the handle. And then you rinse. And when you're done, dry them off. So as you can see, fairly clean. Alright? And if you have the option, definitely clip your nose. So like when you go to wash your hands in the bathroom, it's cool because you can also just get some water. Try to make it cold. Make sure it's kind of cold, right? And you just to the parents about giving your kids any ideas, but here we go. Some charcoal mask. Alright, put one on. And then when I'm done with my mask, I put this on. Which is basically whenever you're doing anything with your face, you want to make sure that your hair is not in the way. Let it sit on my face. Let the time pass. Do whatever you want. like a ghost. So now that it is indeed clean, look at you looking like a new man. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Yeah. But you gotta keep doing it. You gotta do it, and that's the thing. If you don't wash your face enough, or you're not washing your hands frequently, which means often, like every time you go to the bathroom for your safety and others, it just won't look good. And also, it's very important that you do this for your own health. That is the most important thing about this. You want to make sure that your hands are clean. You don't know what you're touching or who you touched or what you've... Just want to make sure that you have clean hands and a nice, clean face. It will go a long way, I promise you. My acne used to be really, really bad, so I'm really trying to take care of it. Wash your face, wash your hands. You'll enjoy it. You'll love it. You'll thank me later. I promise you. You'll come back in like 5 years and watch this video and be like, oh my God, nah, I was so right about this. Indeed, I was. So please, enjoy it. It's ASP Counselor Nye, and I'll see y'all later. Well, actually, don't go anywhere yet. I kind of just forgot this whole part. Forgive me. So basically, I'm apply this moisturizer. It's nice. It's like, it's a cream. So you apply that cream on your face. That way, because when you wash your face, it actually becomes dry. That's the only thing that sucks, especially with washing your hands. You always want to make sure you put lotion or something on your hands. Hands just get really dry, and I've come to the point where I just don't like the way they feel after that. So I gotta have the lotion on, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'm just playing. See you guys later.